birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Is it cooked?
Looks well done. It's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. It's well done. Good job.
Yeah.
Maybe there, nah? Order. You can put this here for the time being, so it's not gonna.
Schwer.
Is there's no space in the cooler for this? It's not cold, no? No, okay. Ako.
Sabi ko, dalhin ko yung kalahati.
Yeah, genau.
I wonder if this is not really cooked here, babe.
Yeah, dito.
Yeah, but I think
Crispy.
it's the oven. Pero on that
It is,
side,
It's fine.
it's
Nice,
fine.
okay
Loto
lang.
sa kuan pero yung ka-crispy niya. Sophie, you wanna sit here?
Crispy na.
Hindi ma-entertain lahat kasi kaya kuan na lang kayo, usap-usap lang kayo dito si Francene. Antayin ko magising sa taas.
Voll total. Ne? Ist ja richtig danach schwerfällig.
Wala akong
Okay na ba
baby
kayo?
mo.
Kannst du Mittagsschlaf halten dann.
Ay, sports, muffin.
Richtig.
Und was ist das?
With
Nur mit,
spices there.
mit
Yeah.
Dingens, Gemüse.
No,
Bisschen gefüllt.
just meat, yeah. Crispy niyan kanina. Dito, hindi ko na kasi kambisi ko kanina eh.
Hindi mo nabaliktad.
Oo, hindi ko na nabaliktad kasi si Francene, gising si Francene kanina.
Und
Dapat si Francene
Gewürz.
binaligtad mo.
Skin, ja?
Yeah, it's so
Kung
crispy. You
nabaliktad
can
mo
take.
yan lahat, crispy yan.
Yeah, oo. Lagi akong gumagawa nito.
Oh.
Kaya ngayon lang, today lang. It's just only now that we make that this part is not crispy now. We always make it so perfect, right?
Magkano order natin?
Pasa pa ng picture.
Order ka na kayo. Ako lahat nagluto ba? Pati cake.
Iba yung aroma naman niya.
Talagang libre ba yan?
Hi guys! Happy birthday na Francene. Bababa
Happy
na kami sa
birthday!
ubos. Bababa na kami guys sa baba. Kasi andun ang mga bisita.
Oh.
Sabit. Let's go. Show her dress.
Ooh, nice.
Yay.
Wait. There's something in her dress. What's that? Oh, okay.
Ella, kaon na day.
Mommy, we leave a party.
Birthday.
Ja, danke schön. Danke schön.
Ah.
Yummy barbecue da. Kaon na day. This is for you na danke schön.
Nikolai.
Da.
Da.
Da. Thank you schön. Oh. This for you she sees the bulb here. Yeah. Und?
Wait, I'll bring mine.
Ja.
Oh, danke schön.
Wie? You also? Jesus Christ.
My God. Why you?
Mein Gott.
And then you like teddy bear? Yeah, teddy bear, teddy bear.
It's bigger than you.
Teddy bear, teddy bear. Oh, you shy? Are you shy? Are you shy?
Shake his hand.
Yeah, sure. Shake his hand. Shake his hand.
Say hello.
Hello, teddy bear. She's a bit shy. Yeah, look at that. She's
She was sleeping earlier.
Yeah.
So But that's nice. Thank you very much.
Ist da Wasser drin?
Hey, nicht mit Wasser jetzt spielen, ne?
Eat. Sin. Look at that. Asis, dankeschön. Dankeschön. Come on, isn't that?
Do you have Coke too?
Yeah,
And
you.
me also?
Yeah, you can have Coke. Yeah. Yeah.
Darfst du kurz halten?
Okay, wait.
Open this.
Vanessa, go.
Mach mal zu, du Nase.
Mann, Francene kann das auch öffnen.
Okay, what did you have there? Wow. And look at that. She's so happy because she knows them.
You know how to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
She wanna go to Vanessa.
See? Look.
Look.
Nee.
Wow, danke. Danke schön, Adrian and Vanessa. That how cute is that? It's like a birthday. You can wear that actually, you know.
Can you have that to your communion?
Come here.
Das hatte ich auch schon an.
Ja?
Ja.
Das ist doch cool.
Ja.
Neues Kleid.
Yeah.
Warte mal. So oder so.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On? And then? Maybe. Yeah. How about her? How about her?
Okay, okay, no.
It's okay.
Francine Geburtstag auch.
Geburtstag.
Video to.
Ang hirap sa
Na, Francine.
It's okay.
Ich bin voll.
Yeah. What's the name again?
This is called paneer.
Cool paneer?
No, this is called paneer.
Paneer.
Yeah.
Paneer.
P-A-N-N-E-R.
It's an Indian food called
Yes.
paneer. Yeah.
Yes.
I wanna try that.
It's North Indian. It's maybe
your
we can
specialty?
translate it's cottage cheese.
What do you want? I told them to start the water after we sing happy birthday for Francene. Yeah. Is that okay?
You should bring a ball.
The ball? Yummy? Trying Indian food.
It needs more salt, but
You need a salt?
after I put it in plate.
So I get a salt now. You want me to get salt now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay.
Because I think it's
Yeah, thank you. Yummy?
Because
Because of the sauce.
I made it.
Yeah. You made it? Again po.
Wait, I'll go for it.
Are you singing it in Deutsch, Vanessa? In Deutsch. Yeah,
Auf Deutsch.
We blow now? Blow. When? Happy birthday, Francene. Yay! Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
And here we have Elvis.
Take a video and all?
Yeah, of course I did. Of course I did.
Oh, I take a photo, then the kids. Come on.
Come on, Elvis. You can do it.
Oh, baby. Okay lang yan.
Your biggest fan in future.
Yeah, we have a concert here.
Manhyaning as. Hatakan. Alis ako, Ken.
In my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom and peace.